Do you feel ever English how much important? Have you feel it? English is English how much important in your life? Have you confessed any problem with the English? Have you faced English how much important in 2026? Have you fallen in this trap? English how much important? So this all kind of questions, this all kind of situation, why is there happened? I am going to explain. So let's get direct jump into next part. English is the international communication language. Without English, you don't do any conversation, you don't do any communication. The with the other person who belongs in the other country, who belongs in the foreign country. And without English skill, without English speech, you will not connection communication with other person. English how much they are important? If I give you an example, you will get understand fulfill. You have heard many times so many politicians, so many wise person have said that English would be not needed in our life or to grow our life. But the many politicians in our country, they every time are used to saying this word, like this word, that English is not very much important in our life. But when their child is grown, when their child is adult, is child to school, they send their children to take higher study, to take foreign study. But we don't send our child in high quality education center because of lack of money. What is they are going? What type of education will they get this type of from this type of institution? Because their basic myth is English medium school, English medium institution. They are all time is being given international qualities study. So as a Indian, we could not get this opportunity. Only they will get this opportunity because they have huge crore rupees, but we don't have much money to spend our child this type of international institution. You will watch English, how much they are important. If you go any bank, there you will watch every kind of English needs. If are you a bank account holder in a bank, then you could understand that English how much is there important. Every document, every paper, every work of the bank is going with only English. And sometime we can watch, sometime we watch that there is going using by Hindi language. Most of the time English language is the first priority of the bank's activity. So without English knowledge, if you go to bank, you have to hold other person to doing your any minimum work, your minimum needed. And second example is, if you go to the any hospital and to visit the doctor, there you will watch that every doctor prescribes by using the English language. So all medicine name, all doctors clinics name, nursing home names, all types of name are used English language, English sentences, English word. And all types of medical research, all types of medical activities are going using by English language everywhere. If you go to the court, if you go to the law section, here you will watch also English language. All kinds of government office and otherwise private sector, everywhere English language is very important. So I have given some example. If you go to the post office, if you go to the revenue office, if you go to the electric office, all types of office in the India, everywhere English language is used vastly. So if we think that English not important, English not a mandatory everywhere, but it is truth, it is reality. Many type of man, many politician, again many time they have said that, and they used to saying right now, they get used to say this type of word in future. But reality is the English needed, English was need, English is needed, and English will be needed in future. So this is reality. Without English knowledge, without English general knowledge, without spoken English, you will not minimum work in your life in future. So without depending other person, without depending other belief, we have to do all this kind of journey in ourself. So we have to understand at first what is the reality, what is the drama. So if we want to our grow, if we want our develop, all time we have to listen to myself, we have to listen to my own feelings. So this video is going lengthy. I have to end this video. That word I will say every time. I say every time. See you in the next video. If you find any valuable information in this video, if this video is valuable to you, see you in the next video. Till then, stay good, stay healthy, and stay with me, and subscribe, comment, share my video. So bye.